Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is very important because this video is related to 3 top companies important queries. आप सभी ने बहुत सारी क्वीरीज पूछी है दैट इज रिलेटेड टू डिलॉयट कॉग्निजेंट एंड एसेंशियर. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो. द फर्स्ट इज क्वीरी इज नो रजिस्ट्रेशन सक्सेसफुल मेल आफ्टर डिलॉयट एनएलए रजिस्ट्रेशन. डिलॉयट एनएलए स्लॉट बुकिंग रेज्यूमे शॉर्टलिस्ट प्रोसेस cognizant aptitude communication round essential hiring problem with URL. So we will discuss each and every query. Let's start. First we have to discuss about the essential query. Like I check I so many queries that is related to essential in which candidates आप सभी ने ये mention किया है some session ID it's a detect error after accessing login. What is the cooling period? Okay, the link was not getting to apply, instead it was telling session expired. So one of the most important point that I have to mention in this video, अगर आपको ये वाला मैसेज आ रहा है इफ़ यू गॉट URL इनकरेक्ट मैसेज, so you will directly contact Essentia team. Okay, so how to contact Essentia team? You have to just go to this ID this link and there is a chat section. Okay, in which they will give you actual link that is related to job opportunity, because I think there is some problem is in the URL, that's why you got this message. Okay, if your cooling period is over. So what do you mean by cooling period? So basically cooling period is of 3 month. Okay, and मैं आपको मेंशन कर देता हूँ like where it is mentioned that what is the cooling period. So basically they mention that candidate should not have appeared for essential assessment interview process in the last 3 months. Okay, so the cooling period is last 3 months and it is from the date of rejection. Okay, like आपकी previous application reject हुई थी, ठीक है, उसके बाद अगर आपका कोई अपडेट नहीं आया, सो योर कूलिंग पीरियड इज स्टार्टेड. ओके, सो इफ यू गॉट द URL मैसेज, सो डेफिनेटली यू हैव टू सेंड वन मैसेज टू like a particular Essentia team. They will send one link that is related to hiring. But one of the most important point that I have to mention, they are only taking the new candidate. Okay, I don't think so like they are taking previous candidate as well, because many candidate mention in the video, in our video, that there is no mail. Okay, there is no mail from the Essentia team. They are they mention that no mail till now from Essentia side, no mail. So basically Essentia team is only sending the updates to new candidate. Okay, so we have to wait for actual hiring update. And you can also ask one question to Essentia team like hiring is active or not for previous students. Okay, because यहाँ पर पोर्टल पर कुछ तो है जो मतलब हमें पता नहीं चल पा रहा है एक्चुअली क्या हो रहा है. इफ़ यू आर प्रीवियस कैंडिडेट, लाइक आपने प्रीवियसली कभी अप्लाई करा है, सो यू आर नॉट एलिजिबल टू अप्लाई फॉर द अपॉर्चुनिटी अगेन. या तो कोई एरर आ जाएगी या तो फिर वो सेशन एक्सपायर्ड हो जाएगा, कुछ ना कुछ तो होगा. तो ये हायर प्रो पे होता है डेफिनेटली, बिकॉज मोस्ट प्रोबेबली जो हायर प्रो है उस पर ये सारी चीज़ें हो रही है. ओके, so I have to mention one of the most important point that is very important, कि if you face the URL issue, you can definitely contact the Essentia team. Okay, and if your cooling period is over, so you can apply. Definitely I mention all the points. And second important query is related to Deloitte NLA. So basically there is no registration mail after Deloitte NLA. Yes, because जैसे ही आपने हायर प्रो पे यहाँ पर रजिस्ट्रेशन किया होगा, you completed the higher pro registration, after that you will received this type of status like your registration is successful in green color. Okay, your registration is successful. This is by default message by the higher pro team, so they are not sending any type of registration mail. If your resume is shortlisted, okay, so then you will got the online assessment from them. Okay, but before getting the online assessment there is a slot booking mail. Okay, if they follow the previous process, so in the previous batches, like in the 2022 batch, they mentioned that like you have to select your online assessment date and time slots. Okay, so if your resume is shortlisting on skill set and academic achievements, so you will receive the online assessment mail. Okay, we can wait for the chances is in the upcoming weeks that they will share the mail with all of you. So our last query is related to Cognizant aptitude communication round. Basically, Cognizant all examination is in the form of phases. So what does mean what it means by the phase? So basically, phase means different dates. Okay. So different dates पे आपकी एग्जाम होने वाली है. So you have to wait for particular timeline that is related to communication and aptitude. Okay. If you completed the communication and if your round is very good, so then they will send the aptitude update, and after that they will send the next update that is related to hiring. I hope this video will helpful for everyone. Thanks for watching the video.